So now we are done with the multi-threading programming concepts, like, and you have, I hope you would have understood, right, what is a thread, right, and what is the main difference between process and thread, right. And that's why I told in the beginning you should follow a order. So if you study threads first and then you go to process, then you go and study process, right, then you won't understand much, I mean, because these both are connected, right. So you should first understand process control block, states of a process, because threads are similar to process, right. There is some difference, but they are almost similar. I mean, both of them are very similar, right. That's why I told follow the order. Now, see, now with threads, right? Now with threads, you know, right? Multiple threads can access the same memory location, right? Now there can be issues, right? And that issues we are going to discuss in the, I mean, next, not in the next subsection, but in the next section, process coordination. So that's why I have told the order is important here. So if you study process coordination first and then you study process management, then you won't understand much. So okay, as of now, we are done with multi-threading programming, and next what we are going to study is process scheduling. So we will look at how process is scheduled, right? So I mean, we will first looking, I mean, see, scheduling queues we have already looked at, right, in the first subsection, process concepts. But if you don't remember these concepts, you can again revisit this concept of scheduling queues and schedulers, because those are associated with process scheduling, right? And then we will start with understanding preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling, CPU scheduling criteria, CPU versus IO bound process, and at last, most important part of power scheduling are the power scheduling algorithms, right? We will look at each of these algorithm advantage and disadvantage, and also we will look at multiple examples. So don't skip any examples, try to solve those all those examples. Those will be very helpful. So let's now move on to process scheduling. First video we will look at CPU bound versus IO bound process. And if you don't remember what are scheduling queues and schedulers, just go to the previous videos and revisit them.